Good morning, happy Sunday or Monday, depends on where you are, what part of the world. So I just want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are viewing this from. So this morning, I want to talk about self-belief and what some people may view as self-belief, but let me just talk about myself for a few minutes. So for me, I know for me in the past, I would look at others and I would say, my goodness, she's really doing the thing. And not realizing that all she was doing is just pushing past fear. She was using the fear as a propeller, as additional smoke, as additional fuel to get her to her next. And so once I figured that out, I said, well, there are things that I may be fearful of, but my why and my purpose is stronger than my fear. So I want to leave that with you this morning, as I did a post last night as well, is when you're looking at others, look at others as inspiration. Look at others to see what exactly are they doing and how they may be doing it, but at the same time, they're no different than you. You can push past fear so that you can accomplish all of your goals and dreams. This is Leslie, your diversity diva. Have an amazing day. Bye.